Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is April 21, 2024, Sunday. In this video, this is weekend, right? As always, weekends, we discuss about the global markets. We discuss about global markets, that is Dow, Nasdaq, S&P FTSE, CBOE weeks in first video or part 1 of the video. In part 2 or the second video, we discuss about dollar index and its components. And in part 3, we discuss about US 10-year Treasury yield, Brent and MX. So let's go straight away into video 1 or the first part of the video, where we discuss about the indices. Dollar index, Dow closed at 37,986.53. It more or less remained flat. And Nasdaq 15,282.01, it down by 5.5% this week. And the S&P down 3% this week, 4967.23 it closed. Whereas FTSE closed 1.5% down this week, 7877.05. Overall, with this kind of fall that it has witnessed, Dow is just up 0.8% over 2023 close. Nasdaq is up only 1.8%, while S&P is up only 4.1%. FTSE is up on the other hand by just around 2%. Right. So what Dow, if you see what happened, it more or less closed at the same level. But what it did was it opened just above the last week. If you recollect, it formed a solid red candle. It opened slightly above, but it closed around more or less at the same close as that of the last week. Normally, we consider this as a continuation pattern unless otherwise we see reversal, right? But of course, there won't be big fall that at least immediately, unless otherwise some dramatic news comes. On the other hand, Nasdaq and S&P formed a very big solid red candle, which is reflected in 5.5% down for Nasdaq this week, and S&P down 3% this week. So what had happened in the process till now, in the monthly chart, all the three indices have formed a solid red candle, and it has formed what we call it as a falling three methods or a reversal candle from the Bollinger upper band. It is definitely going to be a reversal, and we expect the month closure to be more or less at the same levels where it is. Okay, there won't be much of variance. That is what it is. In the daily chart, when you analyze the daily chart, if you recollect last week I had said that the 100 week Dow is above 100 week, while Nasdaq and S&P is above 50 week. But in this week it closed decisively below the 50 week. Dow closed decisively below that, and in fact Dow last week itself went below the 100 week, and this week, in the beginning of this week, 100 day, and now it is just hovering at the 100 day. 100 day is acting as a resistance now. So there is some life if it decisively goes above the 100 day moving average. S&P and Nasdaq on the other hand, decisively closed below the 100 day on the last trading session, that is on Friday, and it is sliding down along the Bollinger lower band. S&P is also sliding down along the Bollinger lower band, but managed to close about the 100 day simple moving average and the exponential moving average. FTSE on the other hand, in the weekly chart, last week if you recollect, the previous week it formed a solid red candle, formed the first reversal above the Bollinger upper band. Last week it formed yet another green candle, reversing all its losses and closed above the upper band. But this week it opened a gap down, but managed to form a long lower leg and closed at forming a red candle. But this is more of a continuation pattern than anything else, and when we analyze further on the monthly chart, it has formed a kind of a spinning top. The candle is inside the body of the previous solid big green candle that it formed in the month of March. On the daily chart, it has formed a it is just continuing and it is going up. So hence nothing much on that front. CBOE VIX on the other hand is 17.18. It is going up strongly. In the weekly chart, it has formed a solid green candle. Third week in succession, it has formed a solid green candle, and in the monthly chart, it has formed a solid green candle till now above the Bollinger middle band. On daily chart, it is just continuing, though there was a big fall that we witnessed on Friday. But overall, the trend is Dow, Nasdaq and S&P has formed weakness, which I have been telling last month itself, and if this trend continues, we can expect a fall in May month also. Hence one has to be extremely cautious, which we had said in the month of March itself. I would request people to watch my video. Thank you very much. We will see in second video.